After selecting the dynamic panel, you can click the View All button in the top left corner to view dynamic panel all states. In the View All mode, you can select the state layout. Auto layout arranges all states according to the size of the window. If you choose vertical, the states will be distributed vertically. If you choose horizontal, the states are distributed horizontally. Click the plus button in the top left to add an empty state. You can drag the content into the empty state. Click the arrow above the state to move state up or down. Double-click the blank space of the canvas, or click on the Return button to return to the canvas. Add an interaction to the dynamic panel. You can see gesture events. Select Swipe Left, then select Set Panel State, and we will set the dynamic panel state to Previous. Check Wrap from first to last. Preview the prototype. When swiping the dynamic panel to the left, the dynamic panel state changes to the previous state. We will add another dragged interaction to the dynamic panel. Select the Move action, select this widget for the target, and select with drag. This way, you can drag the dynamic panel. Preview the prototype. You can drag it in any direction. We check the option Apply Mouse Style Effects on all widgets in panel to trigger the style effects of all widgets in the dynamic panel. Preview the prototype, and when your mouse is over the card, it will trigger the mouse over style effect for all widgets. Right-click the dynamic panel, select the Pin to Browser option, and check Pin to Browser window in the pop-up window to fix the dynamic panel on the browser. Select Center and Middle. If you checked Keep in Front, the dynamic panel will appear at the top of the browser. We drag in a rectangle to add height to the screen content. Preview the prototype, and you can see the card appearing in the center, middle position. When you scroll the window, it remains in the same position.